James, let's hear from you.
Yes, I'm sure you can hear me.
Loud and clear.
Yes, this is a very interesting matter. Assuming I committed rape during my high school days and the matter was not brought to light, as a presidential candidate, it happens to surface. Does that mean that the police should not prosecute me because I committed it during my high school days? I'm asking this question because something unfortunate happened here in the Gambia, which I will not be able to relate now due to time limitation. This necessitated me to compose something about it, and I want to read a paragraph, if you don't mind, just a paragraph.
Go ahead.
Um, Good. A cancerous problem with most judicial systems is lack of political independence. The Gambian case replicates a Nigerian incident. The news of a certificate forgery caused a stir in Nigeria when the submersion of the Speaker of the House of Representatives in a scandal shook the academically inclined members of the public. The Speaker was at the apogee of his political career when a newspaper editor confronted him after already represented his political constituency in the State House of Assembly before being elected to the House of Representatives. When he was elected Speaker by his fellow representatives in the House, his official birthday was January 3rd, 1963, while he contested the election that ushered him into the House of ushered him to the House of to the House with a bachelor's degree in business administration, allegedly awarded by the University of Toronto in 1990, and a diploma from Ahmadu Bello University in Nigeria. He purportedly completed his mandatory NYSC in 1991. Investigation revealed that his birthday was January 30th, 1970. And despite his admission to Ahmadu Bello University, he lost the coveted chance for falsifying his credentials. Barely 6 weeks of performing the duties of Speaker of the House, and had the news magazine received feedback from the University of Toronto revealing that no student by the name of the Speaker had been registered. The response from Ahmadu Bello University authenticated his expulsion from the institution for falsifying his credentials. Additionally, his assertion to having completed his mandatory NYC at a construction company somewhere in Nigeria contained no iota of truth. The NYC headquarters claimed not to have any record of his participation in the scheme. In his response to the allegations,
James, this is more than a paragraph now. This is almost a page now.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's a paragraph anyway. Anyway, let me stop there. The point I'm making is this. That speaker I'm referring to lied to the Nigerian public that he attended University of Toronto. He was admitted to Ahmadu Bello University, and they discovered that he falsified his credentials and he was expelled. He lied to Nigerians that he participated in the NYC scheme. The NYC headquarters in Abuja, debunked that, what you call assertion. He never participated. On the basis of that, he was flushed out of the house. He lost his seat in the House. Now, this is what happened in Nigeria. He was not convicted, but he lost his seat as a member of the House. So who the hell is Jagaban not to, he should bring himself forward to the people that I'm innocent, I never did these things. Whosoever has evidence, let them come forward with it. But this man has never done it. And all this time, he has been hiding from members of the public, refusing to attend functions. And to hell with him. He should leave us alone. We've had more than enough. Thank you.